Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing Excel and the scanner so entries land cleanly. First, connect the scanner and verify it types into any text box. This confirms keyboard wedge mode. Once done, open the workbook and click the exact cell where the first barcode should appear. Make sure to set the column format to text or apply leading zero preservation. Otherwise, codes with zeros will truncate. You'll save time and avoid data corruption if you validate the column now and disable auto format where possible. You'll now configure how scans flow into rows so data entry is hands-free. Set the scanner suffix to send enter or tab after each scan. This moves the active cell automatically. Next, place helper formulas like XLOOKUP or index/match in adjacent columns to resolve product info from a lookup table, because that keeps raw barcodes intact while displaying human-friendly data. If scanning many items, record a simple macro to lock focus. Paste values and jump down. This automates repetition and reduces mistakes. You're finishing setup and ensuring reliability before a full run. Freeze the header row so you always see field names while new rows populate. Make a backup copy and test exporting as CSV if another system must ingest the list. CSV preserves raw codes. If scans fail, slow down the scan speed, clean the scanner lens, and verify the barcode symbology matches reader settings, because mismatched symbologies produce garbage. One quick tip: toggle the suffix between enter and tab to fix cursor placement issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.